Teens, followers, ngayon mag-bake tayo ng oat cookies. So, of course, ang first ingredients natin, mayroon tayong 3 cups na Quaker oats. Tapos, meron tayong half cup na white sugar. Meron tayong 1 cup brown sugar. Meron tayong 1.5 flour. Kailangan natin ng 1 cup butter, little melted. Ayan. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, and wait, oh, you're so good, my dear. Like half cup of baking powder. And
where's your stove? What do you know what your stove is?
Later, and 1 cup of Raisin, and 2 eggs. Yep, I'll get this one, 2 eggs. And that's all our ingredients for oats raisin cookies. Okay, we will start now. We need a bowl. For this, we will mix our dry ingredients first. I will put the flour. White sugar, and then the brown sugar, and you need half teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoon of baking powder, baking powder is almost ready. And then the salt, half teaspoon. I will just like that, and not overestimate. Okay. Then mix together. Teaspoon of vanilla. And konting bit lang. Bit natin siya. sugar and mix bago ilagay yung flour. Pero of course, inuna ko na kanina, kinubayin ko na pwede na. Tapos, i-dip natin siya. This baking powder. There. How are you? Yeah. Yeah, keep beating and beating. I beat you. I forgot to charge supper. Dinner time. Then mix them together again. You're disturbing me. That is why I forgot to do what to do first. Yeah.
You want to know where the stove is? I can help you.
I know I can see the stove.
Last time I seen it was in that corner there.
Yeah. So this is the... What's Richard's request? What is your request? This is your request, right?
Request, right?
What's this?
Oatmeal raisin cookies? Where's the raisins?
Here.
Oh, amazing.
Oatmeal raisin cookies.
Why are you not putting the raisins in there?
Last one. We need to put the oats first. We need to mix the sugar good first to melt it down. We have to mix it good. Ito na siya. Well, mix na natin siya. Like that. Okay. Lalagay na yung ating oats. Yep. This is 3 cups, my dear. A lot. You will get a lot of cookies.
Good.
Oat.
Good.
Raisins.
Good.
Cookies. And 1 cup of this raisins. Yeah, they're teasing you. He knows that you're angry.
He's an asshole. Wreck him.
I'm sure he can read your mouth a while ago when your lips. Only opening your lips. Ito na siya. Sorry. Kausap ko yung aking husband. Ito na yung ating cookies. Oat raisin cookies. Yeah, very simple. Oat bran. Something like the oat bran. Nalagay na natin sa pan. I-start natin yung ating bake sa 350. So, yung wait natin na mag-350 siya. 175 pa lang.
No, you can put that down to about that size. Okay?
That size?
That's good, yeah.
Okay, okay.
But you just keep dipping it in water so it doesn't hurt the...
Yeah, my husband is showing me how big the cookies is. The one that he wants. Okay. I'd like the cookies to be burned. Okay. Yep, this is my cookies. You can see. Scoop. It's big. Yeah, and then like that. Time down 14. Yep. Start. Yeah. natin. Ayun siya. Ilagay ko na siya dyan sa loob. So, wait lang natin.
And they were the ones that dealt with Russia in order to create the fake document, the fake dossier,
The rest of my
and all of the
cookies.
things that they've done, the crimes that they've committed. It's a disgrace.
Siya yung ating cookies. Ilalagay na natin dito sa ating rack.
Biggest tax cuts, bigger than the Reagan tax cuts. Under the Trump administration, we have the greatest economy in the history of the world with no inflation and low energy costs. Biden and the Democrat Congress created the worst inflation in 50 years, 9.1%, and it's going up. It's going to go up very substantially. And the worst 2 years of a presidency in history. Worst 2 years, nobody's ever had anything like it. I rebuilt our military, including our nuclear capability and the creation of Space Force. They surrendered our strength and turned Afghanistan into the greatest
Ganda-ganda ng
humiliation
ating
our country
cookies.
has ever had. And you know, we were getting out of Afghanistan after
I forgot to show you the back.
Get the hell out of there. But we were keeping
The back.
Bagram, very important, the big military
I
base.
say,
And they left Bagram too. They gave up Bagram
It's,
1 hour away. Cost $50 20 years ago, and they gave it away
raisins.
in Afghanistan.
Oat
We needed it for
raisins
Afghanistan.
cookies.
We needed it for China.
Nice,
And
very
they fled
soft.
in the dark.